let us take another problem. Determine the unit vector in the direction of P, which is a vector represented by 2i minus 4j plus 4k. That means here we have to identify the unit vector in the direction. That means the P is a vector which is given 2i minus 4j plus 4k. This is the actual vector which is given, and we have to identify what? We have to identify the unit vector in that direction. Now, if you want to identify unit vector in a particular direction, what is the formula or what is the process we have identified in the previous, say, part 1 or part 2 we have provided? There we have provided the information that when you want to identify, say, a unit vector in the direction of A, then you can be able to identify by making it like this. That means A is a vector divided by mod of A vector. Mod of A vector means what? That means nothing else but the magnitude of A. So that means if the vector A is divided by the magnitude of A, then finally what happens? We can be able to identify the unit vector in that direction. That is the main part. How to identify the value or magnitude of this vector P? Say there is one vector, say A, like this, say AXI, AYJ, and say AZK. Say AX, AY, AZ are nothing else but say 3 coefficients, 3 numbers, as like 2, minus 4, 4, like this. So if there is a representation with respect to IJK like this, the magnitude of that one should be equal to, magnitude must be equal to root of AX square plus AY square and plus AZ square. That is the part to identify the modulus or magnitude of this kind of vector when there is the involvement of I, J and K. So now what happens here? Mod P means the magnitude of P, which is nothing else but root of 2 square plus there is minus 4 square and plus there is the 4 square, right? So finally, how to identify this? Simple. 4 minus square means this one is plus 16 and this one is also 16. So 32 plus 4 means 36 and 36 means 6 square. So that becomes 6. Magnitude. When magnitude has been identified, then the, say, unit vector in the direction we are taking, that is P hat. P hat means what? That is the P vector divided by the magnitude of P. So that means we can be able to write 2i minus 4j plus 4k and whole divided by 6. So 2 by 6i means 1/3 of I hat minus 4 by 6 means 2 by 3 j hat and plus 2 by 3 k hat. Basically this is the unit vector in the direction of the P vector.